Hey, what's good, everybody? Look, I'm trying to try to shoot this gun that I used the night that I got shot, and trying to see if it's gonna work right. So far, it's working all right, but I need to make sure if I'm gonna carry it, if I need to get rid of it. So this Taurus G2C, as you see. I don't know if you can see it because it's dark, but it's a Taurus G2C, and it didn't do too well for me when I needed it to, but I'm gonna see how it's gonna end now. I just shot a clip of it just a few seconds ago, well, actually a few minutes ago, and it did pretty good. So we're gonna see if it's gonna work out like it needs this time, and if so, I know I can carry it. So here we go. I'll try to put it where y'all can see my shots. So this is the Taurus G2C. I got a Springfield XD9 here as well, but we're gonna try this G2C. Make sure that it's gonna work properly as well. I haven't really shot it too much, but I'm fixing to get ready to start shooting a little bit more. So let's see if y'all can see it when it goes. So I like this gun because it handles pretty well. I like it. So that was a Taurus G2C, and it didn't miss. It didn't lock up or nothing like that. So when I used it the night I got shot in Memphis, it locked up on me. I don't know, it didn't lock up that time. I don't know. It might didn't like the bullets that I was using at the time. But I'm gonna shoot the whole box that I got right here. I'm gonna shoot the whole box, and I'm gonna see how it's, as of now, pretty decent. It's working right for me. But I really think that I like the G2C more than the Springfield because of the grip on it. The grip is, I got more grip on it than XD9. It don't have as much grip. Whew, now I got hungry. See how you use this thing right here? It's a lock. Stick it in there, and you push down the bullets or whatever. So now the Spring XD9. Let's go. See how small this grip is? Like when I put my hands around it, you see where it said like it's like this. But when I put my hands around the G2C, got a better grip on it.
in. You turn yours on.
You're not handling the firearms. You just got to manage.
When I didn't have
You
one.
step right here. You don't want to be all up on somebody when you have a gun in their hand and right.
Yeah, that'd be good. This way.
Yep. How many magazines you brought? One? Shit. Ready to go? Yep. Ready to go? Just stay to the 3 yard line.
So yeah, that's the XD9. It's alright, but like I say, that grip, it ain't like I like the G2C better, the grip.
Alright, so what I want you to do is, while he's loading up, I want you to take 6 shots. 6 shots. Push back to the side.
So
Get away from you.
this is G2C again. Oh, see?
What's your charge?
I don't know what that's about. See there, it locks up. I don't know why it's doing that. We don't like how many in the shell, in the clip at one time.
There we go. There we go, dog. Let's go. Let's go, baby. We got here to go.
Right here,
Let's go.
nobody cares. If anybody comes,
All right, so when I was just loading, when I, hit the safety, well not the safety, but just put one in the chamber, open, and then I closed it. So we're gonna see if it's gonna do that while I shoot it again. Because I believe that's what happened the night that I got shot with this gun. So we're gonna see how it's gonna work now. I want y'all to see this gun. You only said to see me.
Come down and get on one knee.
So it did all right. I was told I to bring it and let it get warm. So it warmed up that time. Well, it's warm. So they both did good. The G2C, right. The XD, it's okay. It's just that this, this short, like if you the shortness of the handles. This is the G2. This is the XD9, and this is the G2C. It got a better grip on it. I like the G2C better. All right, well, end it for now, and because I got work to do, and yeah, we're gonna get out of here. So just wanted to do that, something extra to do, so I can come and see how this is. So anyway, I'm out of here. Sophisticated Black Strong. And y'all like, comment, subscribe. Just wanted to share my experience with you guys. And yeah, I'll holler at y'all later.